Okay, so it looks like they have 2 apartments, 301 and 302. I think he's in here. Hey!
Hey! Come on in.
See you. It's been a long time. Not really.
Yes.
Wow.
Please take off your shoes. We do the Japanese home style thing here at Tastemade.
Very traditional cultural point.
Slippers for you.
Oh wow, thank you. Of course. Lovely. It's pretty big.
Why don't we go for a little tour? How about that? All right.
Yeah, okay.
Come on in here. Let me show you one of the main things we do, which are recipe videos. And this is one of the many studios we have here. As you can see, it's in the middle of some sort of production right now. Of a,
Wow. It's got a vent.
What are we making today, guys?
Sweet sushi.
Sweet sushi.
Sushi.
Wow,
Wow,
nice.
what does that mean?
Yeah, go ahead.
Is that okay? Don't do this, guy. Takimasu.
あんまり美味しくないかも。
Don't say that. Just flop it in.
I think
Mmm.
beer.
It's pretty good. There's a lot going on. It's like fruit and cream cheese.
Exactly, yeah.
I don't know, what's the exterior part?
A crepe.
Oh,
Yeah,
that's
great.
great.
Yeah.
Mm.
じゃあ僕も。はい。
もう終わったので。
Mm.
Thank you very much.
Wow, this is awesome. I don't think I'll ever go to an office where we get fed. Especially
Yeah.
that.
Talk about the best things about working in Tastemade.
Mm.
Every day about this time, 4 or 5 o'clock, all the things we videoed that day are all up for grabs to eat.
It's always in such great shape.
Yeah, exactly. Good job. So in the oven studio, obviously we take photos of or videos of the oven. So whenever we want to have that nice cheese melting or the bread going, wow, this is a great place to do it. This is our beauty studio. So at Tastemade we do content around food, travel, home and design, and beauty.
Oh wow,
And so-
I didn't know. I thought it was just food.
Yeah, I know a lot of people think it's just food, but actually we're a lifestyle brand.
Okay.
And so
Oh,
each
wow.
one of those pictures represents a video that will be posted at the dates.
It's a lot of videos.
That's all we do is make videos around here. Alright guys, I'll show you our kitchen studio. Oh, actually, they're filming right now. So these guys are filming one of our Instagram stories series. This is Dylan. He's one of our main stars.
Roman.
And today looks like he'll be doing some beer comparisons and some snack. In Japan, they love to have like seasonal things that are only available during that season. So this is summer only beer.
Which is limited edition here.
All of it. It's all summer limited edition stuff. One of our more famous series is called Chibi-meshi, or Tiny Kitchen. And here's the studio.
Wow.
And we actually make food that's 1/12 the size of what it would be. So this is an oven that actually works.
1/12 size oven.
Yeah, you can make a fire there, and then we put the pots on the top. And so if we go this way, we've got just 2 more of those recipe video studios. So here's one more here, and here. Our business and sales staff are over there, our planners are over there, and creatives are in this row right here. And that's it. So that's we have got like 2 offices right next to each other, and we're back and forth the whole time.
Okay, so end of the tour. So
Yes.
let's move in and we've got a few more questions.
Awesome. Let's go.